Well, an elderly woman recovering from her injuries tonight after she was attacked and robbed by a teenager over in West Palm Beach while walking home.
CBS 12's Al Peffley showed video of the attack to a self-defense instructor to find out what you should do if you ever find yourself in a similar situation.
Surveillance video captured the brutal incident when West Palm Beach police say a 79-year-old woman walking on a sidewalk heading home from a grocery store was attacked by a 17-year-old teen who ran up behind her and threw her to the ground.
This was a person over the age of 65 who was victimized by this lowlife.
As the video shows, the teen grabbed the elderly woman's belongings, including her purse, knocked her down, and ran off.
Wow, it's terrible.
We showed the surveillance video of the attack to Frank Latella, a self-defense instructor with 12 years experience who owns Strength for Combat and Boynton Guns in Boynton Beach. He teaches self-defense classes.
It's terrible. It's heartbreaking to see that somebody could do that to someone who is helpless.
Latella says the elderly definitely need to be aware of what's going on around them.
Now, what should she have done to protect herself?
So in this specific video, there's not a whole lot considering he came up as an ambush.
He says if the victim had some idea she was being followed, she should have turned to face the attacker.
I do think, just judging by that quick, brief clip that you showed me, turning towards the attacker would have given her more options. There's a few things that can be done. One is a throat strike. So we want to strike the vulnerable areas. So I'm striking the throat, and from that point, if you can follow up with other strikes, call for help, or try to escape. Other things are the eyes. I mean, thumbs in the eyes, slapping the ears. What will happen here with the hands cupped as I box the ears, it could rupture the eardrums, which will mess with your equilibrium. Your balance is off.
Latella says we can all learn something from this brutal attack caught on video.
I think people could learn that they need to prepare for the unexpected. Prepare for something like an event like this, a self-defense situation, and prepare for it and hope you never have to use it.
And police arrested the 17-year-old teenager. He's charged with robbery without a firearm and aggravated battery on a person over 65. They say he has confessed to the crime, and it's likely he'll be charged as an adult. Live in West Palm Beach, Al Peffley, CBS 12 News.